So whatever happened to the Jetsons? Wasn't the future supposed to be filled with flying cars, robot maids, and colonies on different planets? Or what about Iron Man, this fully interactive world where AI does all the heavy lifting? It was supposed to be this extension of your mind, your business, your brand. And wasn't the future supposed to look a whole lot different by 2025? It's like every single reality in the multiverse got something game-changing, but what did we get? Things took a twist in our reality, and I don't know if most of you caught it. Most people see AI and think of these shows and all these movies, and they sit back waiting for the world to evolve, but there's a select few that are actually using it to its full advantage, while AI is still developing, and those ones are moving fast. They're the smart ones. They see it as leverage, but the problem is no one taught you how to take advantage of it yourself. Some people use it to code, other people are using it to think, while other people like myself are using it to make money through creating content. I've been using AI to scale my personal brand across X, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok, and in these past 6 months, it made me more money with less effort than ever before, and I promise you, this will not last long, because in less than a year, everyone will have their hands on what I'm about to tell you. AI for content will be near perfected, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you could take full advantage of it and milk it before it becomes the industry's meta. Let's get into today's video. Let's start off with this word meta. No, I'm not talking about our hero Zuck, who by the way has the greatest PR team in existence. Let me take you into the world of the gaming industry for this example. When you log into any game, there is a specific playstyle that is maybe working better than any other. Maybe it's a specific combo or a fighting combo. It's something the entirety of the play base uses because it's the most effective strategy to use to win at that time. When a meta is found, a big player in the game exposes the strategy, people start copying it, and well, it spreads like wildfire, and then boom, the meta gets overly saturated and dies out. This is the perfect example of what's about to come with AI in the content industry. It will be a meta in the next year, but you're lucky because you're watching this early. See, the people who get the richest are the same as the players who get the most wins. They both understand how to spot metas before they're metas. They are the risk takers that test to see if a combo or strategy is currently working. I call this the glitch phase. Like a glitch in the system that no one has caught on to is what we're taking advantage of. So Mubu, what is the current meta for AI in content? But before I explain it, let me pause here for a quick second. If you're digging this breakdown so far and want to see all the steps mapped out step by step, I've got something for you. I created a free newsletter called the Meta Report where I break down every single strategy I've used to build personal brands into authorities. The latest issue literally has a written breakdown with all the posts and all the examples from this video that you can swipe for yourself, and I'm not charging for it because honestly, this knowledge should be accessible for everyone, not just people who can afford the expensive personal brand courses. Just hit the link in the description, drop your email, and I'll send it directly to your inbox. It's seriously the exact same stuff that I charge clients for, but in newsletter form. Let's get back into the video. Well, the current meta is not in content writing. AI still doesn't get you. Go send any voice message to any AI. Doesn't matter if it's ChatGPT, Claude, Grok. I promise you, it will not sound like you. It's so obvious that it's AI, and most importantly, it does not encapsulate your soul. See, the problem with everyone that is teaching you how to use AI for content is they're teaching you how to use it efficiently, but not effectively. There is a day and night difference here, and if you don't understand, you will not be able to grasp the rest of this video. See, the difference between the two is you can create content to write, but that does not mean that the content will actually perform the way you want it to. I promise you, it will not. And when building a personal brand, the most important element is in the actual phrase, personal. Your socials, your story, your tone, your energy needs to be screaming to the reader and through the camera so people can understand you. You can't do this with any sort of AI writer in the market right now. But what you can do is use AI for literally every other step in the content system to create exceptional content. Let's visualize what a system is, together with a quick visual from our homie SpongeBob. And before I show you a bulletproof content system, let's imagine this. You're at the Krusty Krab, you order a Krabby Patty, and Squidward yells at the back, "I need a Krabby Patty with extra cheese, SpongeBob." SpongeBob gets the ingredients, cooks the patty, puts the burger between the buns, and rings the bell to Squidward and delivers the order. But behind the scenes, SpongeBob toasts the buns, he cuts up all the lettuce and the tomatoes and makes sure that the patty is perfectly set as a medium rare so it's juicy, places all the ingredients together on the buns, and these are the tasks to help you complete each step of the system. This is what a system is. Now, when we create content, we also have very particular systems. This is a system we use at my agency, Mogul Media. We literally have used this for over 300 of the most powerful personal brands in the business world. It's a bulletproof system that you can just copy. Step 1, understand your main pillars. What are the main overall topics that you want to be talking about on your accounts? Step 2 is research. These are your competitors, your old content, trends that are going on in the industry. Step 3 of the system is subtopics. For the next 7 days, based off of your understanding of your main topics, your goals, and the vision for your post. Step 4 is interviewing yourself to answer questions within the topic. Step 5, write the actual post and add any visuals. Step 6 is review the post to make sure it matches your tone and you avoid any sort of spelling mistakes. Step 7 is implement any sort of feedback. Step 8, you're gonna go and post it. And step 9 is you wanna read the data and optimize. Do you see how much goes into content? Now imagine having to do this for 14 to 21 posts a week across your socials. It's tedious, things break, and well, we aren't AI, we will make mistakes. So how do we use AI for the content creation system? Let me show you. Step 1, build your personal brand's brain. AI as your content HQ is what this step is about. Before AI can actually help you, it needs something to work with. This is where your personal brand's brain comes in. What is it? Think of it as this central database where AI learns everything about your voice, your expertise, and what you actually want to talk about, instead of spitting out generic content that sounds like a robot. So how do we use AI for this? We train ChatGPT's AI on your voice. Feed it your top performing content, your tweets or your LinkedIn posts, so it learns your style, your content pillars, your frameworks. AI categorizes your thoughts, your best performing posts, and insights to be ready to use formats. Then you build this AI thought bank. AI recognizes and organizes your raw ideas into structured scripts or posts or threads so you never have to start from scratch ever again. Step 2 is AI-driven research, finding trends or spot what's working. The biggest mistake people make is posting content without actually knowing what works. AI can eliminate all the guesswork. What AI helps with is competitor analysis in seconds. AI can scan through the top posts from industry leaders and find patterns and tells you exactly what's trending, so it's personalized trend monitoring for yourself. Instead of manually tracking industry changes, AI feeds you the trends that are relevant in your niche. Then there's performance analysis of your own content. AI will study your past performing content, review what formats, what hooks, what styles are driving the most amount of engagement. Step 3, AI for topic and question generation. Here's where AI really starts doing the heavy lifting. What does AI do here? It turns broad ideas into structured content. For example, I want to talk about AI and branding. It becomes 5 AI mistakes ruining your personal brand. It auto-generates engaging content prompts, and instead of brainstorming, AI will feed your thought-provoking questions based off of your niche and repurpose past ideas into new formats. AI literally reworks one successful post into 5 different angles. Step 4, AI is your content assistant, but not your ghostwriter. Here's where people mess up. They think AI should write all their content for them. That's a one-way ticket to sounding like a robot. The right way to use AI for content creation is simple. Let AI structure your content. AI outlines your key points, but you add the personality. You use AI to repurpose, not replace. AI transforms your video scripts into Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, newsletters. AI helps with the editing and the refining, not replacing your voice. AI is there to polish your writing without stripping you of your personality. Step 5 is AI for feedback and optimization. Most people just post and hope for the best. AI removes the guesswork here. What AI does is it analyzes your engagement and trends. AI tells you which styles, which hooks, and CTAs perform the best based off of A/B tests of content styles. AI helps you compare different hooks and formats to find out what converts the best for you, and then recommends tweaks before you actually post it. So let's recap what I just showed you. Most people are using AI wrong. They're trying to make AI write their content, and it sounds robotic, sounds like garbage. That's not the meta. The real glitch in the system right now is using AI for everything else. Let it handle your research, the structure, the optimization, but you provide the voice, the stories, the personality, something that no AI can replicate. So there you have it, the AI content creation meta that's currently working before everyone else catches on. You can either implement this yourself and start today, or you can have my team at Mogul Media handle everything for you. If you're a founder, a CEO, a thought leader who knows they need to be building their personal brand but just doesn't have the time or the expertise to build the system from scratch, we should talk. We perfected this system across hundreds of clients, and our results speak for themselves. 100K deals on LinkedIn with less than 3,000 followers, 9-figure brands being closed from content written from 20 minutes a week from the client's involvement. Just click the link in the description to book a call with my team, and we'll break down exactly how we can implement this system and everything we know about building a personal brand into an authority for you. We can only take on a limited amount of clients per industry. So to avoid building more competitors in the space, you can click the link below and book a call. If you found this valuable, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss the next video where I'm breaking down more personal brand strategies. And if you like, drop a comment below with your biggest question about using AI for content, and I might feature your question in my next video.